Welcome viewers. This is question and answer program for entrepreneurship for chapter 5. The direction is, as usual, choose the best answer. Question number 1. What is the primary goal of marketing? A. To produce more products. B. To increase company's expense. C. To identify and satisfy customers' needs and wants. D. To eliminate competition. The answer for question number 1 is to identify and satisfy customers' needs and wants. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a core concept of marketing? A. Needs, wants, and demands. B. Exchange and transaction. C. Production and manufacturing. D. Customer satisfaction. The answer for question number 2 is C. Production and manufacturing. Question number 3. Who defined marketing as a social and managerial process by which individuals obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging products of values with others? A. William J. Stanton. B. Paul Mazo. C. Philip Kotler. D. American Marketing Association. The answer for question number 3 is C. Philip Kotler. Question number 4. Which of the following is not part of marketing needs? 4 pieces of marketing. A. Product. B. Pricing. C. Packaging. D. Promotion. The answer for question number 4 is C. Packaging. Question number 5. What type of utility is created when a product is made available at the right time for customers? A. Form utility. B. Place utility. C. Time utility. D. Possession utility. The answer for question number 5 is C. Time utility. Question number 6. Why is marketing research important? A. To increase production cost. B. To help business understand customers' needs and market trends. C. To eliminate the need for advertising. D. To create financial report. The answer for question number 6 is to help businesses understand customers' needs and marketing trends. Question number 7. What is the main focus of societal marketing concept? A. Maximizing companies' profits. B. Selling products aggressively. C. Balancing customer needs, company's profit, and social well-being. D. Ignoring social responsibility. The answer for question number 7 is C. Balancing customer needs, company profits, and social well-being. Question number 8. What is the difference between needs and wants? A. Needs are basic survival necessities, while wants are specific preferences for satisfying those needs. B. Wants are more important than needs. C. Needs only exist in business settings. D. Wants are always more expensive than needs. The answer for question number 8 is A. Needs are basic survival necessities while wants are the specific preference for satisfying those needs. Question number 9. Why is competitive analysis essential in marketing? A. To eliminate competitors from the market. B. To understand competitor strengths and weaknesses and improve business strategy. C. To reduce product quality. D. To increase prices. The answer for question number 9 is B. To understand competitor strengths and weaknesses and improve business strategy. Question number 10. How does relationship marketing differ from traditional marketing? A. It focuses on long-term customer engagement rather than one-time sales. B. It only applies to online business. C. It ignores customers' needs. D. It is the same as mass marketing. The answer for question number 10 is A. It focuses on long-term customer engagement rather than one-time sales. Question number 11. A company is introducing a new energy drink and want to attract young customers. What marketing strategy should they use? A. Selling only to older consumers. A. Selling only to older consumers. B. Ignore advertising. C. Using social media promotions and influencers marketing. D. Setting high price without market research. The answer for question number 11 is C. Using social media promotions and influencers marketing. Question number 12. If a retail store wanted to improve customer satisfaction, what should they focus on? A. Increasing product prices. B. Improve customer service and product availability. C. Reducing staff interaction with customers. C. Limiting store hours. The answer for question number 12 is B. Improve customer service and product availability. Question number 13. A business wanted to attract price sensitivity customers. A business wanted to attract price sensitive customers. What pricing strategy should they use? A. Price skimming. B. Penetrating pricing. C. Premium pricing. D. Odd and even pricing. The answer for question number 17 is B. Penetration pricing. Question number 14. A supermarket chain is expanding into a new city. What distribution strategy should they focus on? A. Selling only online. B. Establishing multiple stores in convenient locations. C. Reducing store size to save costs. D. Avoiding promotional campaigns. The answer for question number 14 is B. Establishing multiple stores in convenient locations. Question number 15. If a company wanted to test customer reaction to a new product before fully launch, what method should they use? A. Full nationwide launch. B. Ignore customer feedback. C. Conduct test marketing in selecting area. D. Set a higher price possibly. The answer for question number 15 is C. Conduct test marketing in selecting areas. Question number 16. How does personal selling differ from advertising? A. Personal selling involves direct interaction with customer while advertising is mass communication. B. Advertising is always more expensive. C. Personal selling is only for large business. D. Advertising is more effective for higher priced products. The answer for question number 16 is A. Personal selling involves direct interaction with customer, while advertising is mass communication. Question number 17. What is the main purpose of market segmentation? A. To divide the market into groups with similar needs and preference. B. To eliminate competition. C. To reduce marketing efforts. D. To increase production costs. The answer for question number 17 is A. To divide the market into groups with similar needs and preferences. Question number 18. A company is considering whether to adopt a new marketing strategy. What is the most important factor in their decision? A company is considering whether to adopt a new marketing strategy. What is the most important factor in their decision? A. The number of competitors in the market. B. The impact on customer satisfaction and company profitability. C. The opinion of company's executives alone. D. The availability of more employees. The answer for question number 18 is B. The impact on customer satisfaction and company profitability. Question number 19. A company wanted to design a new promotional campaign for eco-friendly product. What approach should they take? A. Highlight environmental benefits and use green marketing strategy. B. Ignore sustainability aspects and focus only on pricing. C. Target customers who prefer non-eco-friendly products. D. Reduce advertising effort. The answer for question number 19 is A. Highlight environmental benefits and use green marketing strategy. Question number 20. A business is developing a customer loyalty program to increase repeat purchase. What should they include? A. Discounts, rewards, exclusive offers for loyal customers. B. Higher prices for repeat customers. C. Limit customer support. D. No incentive for customer loyalty. The answer for question number 20 is A. Discounts, rewards, exclusive offers for loyal customers. This is all about chapter 4. Thank you, viewers.